Acmella is a species of flowering herb in the family Asteraceae. Acmella liquid extract is used as a vegetable and also for its medicinal value. In India, it was used for treatment to decrease facial lines and facial wrinkles.